Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Ethan from the Bachelor of Law Enforcement program. Today I will be presenting my research proposal for Introduction to Social Psychology titled Skipping Class Among College Students. The studies focus on understanding why college students skip classes and the social and psychological factors that influence their attendance behavior. Class attendance is very important for students to succeed in college. However, skipping classes has become increasingly common among college students. Skipping classes refers to intentionally missing lectures, tutorials, or academic activities without valid reasons. From a social psychology perspective, students' attendance decisions are influenced by various social and psychological factors, such as peer pressure, motivation, and attitudes toward learning. In addition, the availability of online learning materials has made students feel that attending classes is less necessary. This situation can lead to poor academic performance and reduced learning engagement. The issue of skipping classes is becoming more common among college students. This problem can negatively affect students' academic performance as they may fall behind in lessons and struggle to understand course materials. Peer influence is also a major factor, as students may follow their friends' behavior. Personal challenges such as stress, part-time jobs, or poor time management can also lead to skip classes. Furthermore, the availability of online learning tools may encourage students to skip classes. Therefore, it is important to understand students' experiences and reasons for skipping classes. Next, research objectives. This study has three main objectives. First, to explore the reasons why college students skip classes. Second, to examine the influence of peers of class attendance behavior. Third, to understand students' attitude toward lectures and academic engagements. Previous studies shows that class attendance plays an important role in academic success. Students who attend classes regularly tend to perform better academically. They are able to understand lessons more clearly and participate in discussions. On the other hand, students who skip classes often experience learning gaps and lower academic performance. Second, peer influence is another important factor affecting attendance. Students are often influenced by their friends' behavior. When skipping classes becomes common among a group, others may follow. This behavior is explained by the concept of conformity in social psychology. Third, motivation and attitude also affect attendance. Students who are interested in learning are more likely to attend classes regularly. However, boring lectures and poor teaching methods may reduce motivation and increase students skip classes. Fourth, environmental factors also influence attendance. These include class schedules, learning environments, and online learning availability. For example, early morning classes and flexible online resources may encourage students to skip classes. This study uses a qualitative research method to explore students' experience and opinions. An exploratory design is used to better understand the issue. Semi-structured interviews will be conducted to collect detailed information. The participants will consist of 10 to 15 college students. Purposive sampling will be used, and students who have skipped classes will be selected. Participants may come from different academic programs to divide diverse perspectives. The main instrument used will be semi-structured interview questions. These questions will be open-ended to allow participants to share their experiences. Interviews may be audio recorded with permission, and field notes will also be taken. Permission will be obtained from the institution. Then participants will be selected. Interviews will be conducted in a comfortable environment and will last about 20 to 30 minutes. All information will remain confidential. The data collected will be analyzed using thematic analysis. These methods helps identify patterns and themes for participant responses. The findings will be compared with previous studies. In conclusion, skipping classes is an important issue because it affects students' academic performance and engagements. Social and psychology factors such as peer influence, motivation, and attitudes play a major roles in students skipping classes. Environmental factors also contribute to students' attendance behavior. This study aims to better understand students' experiences using qualitative research methods. The finding may help educators develop strategies to improve attendance and support students' academic success. That's all from me. Thank you.